HMD Global has today launched its new smartphone at a launch event in Beijing, China. Dubbed as Nokia X6, the smartphone will go on sale in China from May 21st for a starting price of $204. The smartphone comes with a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus display with screen resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. There's a notch on top of the display, similar to that of Apple iPhone X. The display is covered by a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which protects from minor scratches. Under the hood, the device is powered by Qualcomm's recently launched Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor, which also powers the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and among others. The smartphone will be available in two variants based on RAM. The 4GB RAM model packs 32GB and 64GB internal storage, while the 6GB RAM variant packs 64GB internal storage. There's also a microSD card slot, which enables users to further expand the phone's storage capacity up to 256GB. Coming to the camera department, the smartphone features a dual camera setup, having a 16-megapixel RGB primary sensor with f2.0 aperture and a 5-megapixel secondary monochrome sensor with f2.2 aperture. On the front side, there's a 16-megapixel snapper with f2.0 aperture and 1.0 micron pixel size. Further, the smartphone also comes with a face unlock feature, as well as a fingerprint sensor placed on the back panel. Connectivity options on the device include 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5, and USB Type-C. The Nokia X6 runs on Android 8.1 ARIA operating system out of the box, and also comes with Do Not Disturb mode for gaming. The device is fueled by a 3060 mAh battery, which supports Quick Charge 3.0 fast charging technology that can deliver up to 50% of charge in 30 minutes. The smartphone comes in three color options: black, blue, and silver.